Let us start today's topic with one question. What is the most important currency in this world? In this 21st century? Is it dollar, ruble, pound, euro? What is most expensive currency? The answer is time is the currency of 21st century. If one moment gone, you can never retrieve that one moment back, even if you are ready to spend the wealth of a world. You know, even if you spend most expensive thing you have, one moment gone will not come back. This is the value of time. So all of us have 168 hours per week to become unequal. We have equal time to become unequal. If you see any successful man, Ambani, Tata, Jindal, Singhania, they all have same time as we do per week. And in this same equal time, some people become absolute unequal. What is time management? Time management is nothing but priority management. Yes. How do we prioritize the time? Must be your next question. How do you effectively prioritize your time? We will try to answer few more questions before this. What is more important, scheduling the priority or prioritizing the schedule? Come again. Scheduling the priority or prioritizing the schedule? What is more important, schedule or priority? Let me answer for you. Priority is far more important than schedule. If your priority are right, then whatever you are doing today as a schedule will lead you to the right results. If your priority, the direction is wrong, no matter how good schedule you have today, you will reach at a wrong result or outcome. Let us say you drive from Borivali and you have to go to Churchgate and you drive towards North Mumbai, that is Virar. That is actually moving in opposite direction. No matter how fast you drive in that direction, you will end up reaching wrong place even faster. Let's try to answer another question. What is important for you among these two? Doing the right things or doing things rightly? सही कार्य करें या कार्य को सही ढंग से करें? Lot of people will answer to this, doing right things rightly. Well, the right answer is doing right things. If you do things rightly, the wrong thing rightly, no matter how rightly you continue doing the wrong things, you will end up reaching wrong place. To understand better, here is an example. If you fit a car bumper in wrong place, that is front bumper placed in back and vice versa, no matter how rightly you fit the car bumper, you will end up fitting it in wrong place. Let's say you are lost in desert or in a jungle and you do not have a direction. No matter how fast you run in wrong direction, you end up reaching in wrong place. So what's the message I am trying to give? The central message is the direction of time is more important than the efficiency of usage of your time. Effectiveness of your time is more important than the efficiency of your time. Let us say you do 15 things in a day, but all these 15 things don't lead you to the goal of your life. You were very efficient, but you were not effective at all. मेहनत तो बहुत किया पर स्मार्ट वर्क बिल्कुल नहीं किया. So in time management, smart work is central message. Pareto principle, 80/20 principle. Find out those 20% of activity which will bring 80% of result. Instead of doing a lot of 80% of activity, lots of work, and receiving 20% result. That's the reason why many astrologers say you work very hard but you don't get results. Reason, you haven't applied the Pareto principle till now. Hard work is not needed. Smart work is required for you to succeed. And what is smart work? Finding out which 20% will give you 80% of results. Rather than doing 80% of work and getting 20% of results. So that's called prioritizing your goal, and then make the schedule accordingly. If you are using time efficiently but that's not leading you to your goal, then what's the use? Let's clarify this by one more example. Let's say you need to win a war in life and there are many small battles you have to fight to battle the final war. Now, this should not happen. You win small fights but lose final battle. What's the use then? But on the other hand, you find out what 20% fight will give you quickest result to the war. That will be more efficient way. I won't fight every battle. I won't do that. I will fight only those specific battles that will give me quick result to my final war. When we do right things, when we have priorities right, then we are not spending time, we are actually investing time. And that investment gives you return. And the roti that we eat morning and night, ROTI, that's also called return of time invested. When you invest your time in right things, only then you get the roti back to you, return of time invested. So central message is having the right priorities. Once the priorities are fine, then you make schedule. The schedule will work well. Find out the right things, then do them regularly. When you have the right things, then you start doing them and you will get right results. दिशा दशा से ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है. Link your time with your goals. When you have certain goal defined in your life, then your time management is leading you towards that goal. But if your goal is in other direction and you are leading towards some other direction, then what's the use? So time management should be prioritized and it should lead you towards your priorities in the right directions. Link your schedule to the long-term goals. This is very effective method. This is one effective message on time management. And do comment, let me know how this video helped you. Do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.